What's up, guys? Working on the 72 stand, getting ready to put the Willwood brake system on the back. Let's see. One of the calipers, other one's down there. Yeah. Got our little pieces here. The rotors are in here. Excuse me. So we'll get this all together for you guys. I'll have an update here in a little bit. We'll start tearing it apart. All right, guys. Well, got the axle shaft out because this piece sits behind it, between the bearing there. Right up against that guy, that plate right there. So, open it up, and there's like red silicone, like someone was trying to stop a leak. So, I'll talk to boss man, see what he wants to do there. Probably gonna talk to the customer. And he just texted me and said that's the plan. I'm gonna give him the videos tomorrow. He's gonna upload them and then talk to the owner. Excuse me. Haven't done the other side yet. So I think I'll pop everything open on this side and video it. So we got both sides shown and go from there. All right, guys. Have a update in a few here. All right, guys. Got this side torn apart. You can tell they put some silicone on that one too. It's a shame. Why can't people just fix things correctly? But anyways, yep, there's that. Got video of it. Boss man will send it over to the customer, and we'll go from there. All right, that's that, guys.